Hey everybody, I have another review for you. Today I'm going to be reviewing the camera tripod ball by Neewer. So let's get started. So this is the box that it comes in, pretty basic. There's nothing special about it. You open up the box and you get a couple of deals in the box here. Your instruction, I think there's your instruction, and a little bit of silicone stuff. That's it. That's all that's in the box. These are not really instructions at all. It's just basically a thank you note. So no help there. So one of the cool things that I noticed was that it's all metal. It's solid, it's metal, it has weight to it. The plate that it comes with is this guy, and it's pretty narrow. The other thing I noticed was these two bolts here don't allow the plate to just slide off the end. You have to completely open it up all the way in order to remove the plate, and then to put it back down, keep it still, and then clamp it down, and then the plate is in position. The other thing I noticed about this plate is this screw here. You can actually remove it. It does slide back and forth pretty easy, but if you wanted to put your own or swap it out, there are grooves at the very end of the plate here, and you can actually remove it. So maybe if you had your own personal lucky bolt or something, I don't know. They got rubber seats on here, so you're not just putting your camera down on a metal plate. You're putting it down on a rubber seat, and it does fit. Like I have a Canon here, it does fit straight, standard bolt size for your camera. I'll take that off. So that's the plate. This is the handle that it comes with. It has a little foam grip on the end, a little hole right here. This is where you're going to put your handle in right here. There it goes, just slides in there, and then you lock it in. So it's locked in, and now I have a little handle. The other thing about this is that it does have a level, so that if you do pivot the ball into the forward position, it does have a level for you. There's actually two places to tighten down the ball in here. So what I mean by that is right now it's in a locked position, and this is loose. It's loose all the way, and if I open up this one, if I loosen this up, then you can start to move the ball, right? You can start to move it in whatever position you want to put it in. So if I tighten this one down, well, then it's locked in, like it won't move. But I can loosen it and tighten this one down too, and then again it won't move. So I'm going to loosen both. Now they're both loose. These two knobs are both loose, and now you can move the ball. Okay, the last thing is this knob in the back, and once you loosen it, you have some numbers around the mount, and you can move it. You can twist it around, and it gives you some degrees, or how many degrees you're twisting it, and then you can lock it down. You can lock it down into position so it won't move, it won't rotate. And then on the bottom of it, again, it's just you can just mount that to any tripod or any plate. I do like this feature here, and that way I can have a handle on it when I mount it on the slide. That way I could turn the camera too, and then I'm not touching the camera, but I'm using the handle on the slide here. Okay, so that's my review. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook. I'm going to add a link to the mount in the description below. Go ahead and click on it, check it out. I think it's about in the $20 range, so it's a pretty solid little mount here. I'm excited to use it on more of my projects. Again, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night.